how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on connection and click on Wi-Fi. Click on the settings icon and click on forget. After click on forget, again connect Wi-Fi. After again connect, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so just click and hold side power button and click on restart. After click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. But you will see after restarting, enter phone pin and you'll check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset mobile network setting. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.